So at this point, you probably feel like you know everything about the Nothing Phone 3A and 3A Pro. I mean, Nothing themselves have already shown off the design, which, by the way, I actually like. They even compared the camera to an iPhone. And thanks to all the leaks, we've basically had the full spec sheet in our hands for a while now. So that's it, right? Nothing left to talk about? Well, maybe not. Turns out, there's still something interesting here. The Nothing Phone 3A series is officially launching on March 4th, and they're bringing a dedicated button that we originally thought was just for the camera, but it's actually a lot more than that. Nothing had previously considered adding a red dot to this button to match their design language, but they scrapped the idea since it wouldn't work well across all colorways. Instead, they went with a glossy finish, so it still stands out but blends with any color variant. They're calling it the Essential Key, and its job? To summon Nothing's custom AI built into an app called Essential Space. AI is the buzzword every company loves throwing around these days, so of course, Nothing wasn't gonna sit this one out. But Essential Space is being pitched as more than just a gimmick. It's an AI-powered hub. Basically a second digital memory. It's designed to capture, organize, and recall all those random screenshots, voice notes, social media saves, and photos that usually disappear into the abyss of your phone. Here's how it works. Press and hold the Essential Key, takes a screenshot. Long press, records a voice note, double tap, instantly pulls up your saved content inside Essential Space. And if you're in the camera app, a single press snaps a photo. Now, according to leaks, Essential Space is still a work in progress. It'll debut with the 3A and 3A Pro, but a more refined version will likely roll out with the Nothing Phone 3 later. So yeah, just when we thought we had all the details, Nothing still had a little surprise up their sleeve. That's the latest on the Nothing Phone 3A series. What do you think about the Essential Key, gimmick, or actually useful? Drop your thoughts in the comments, and if you want to stay updated on more tech like this, make sure to subscribe. Catch you in the next one!